Beautiful mistake. All the chances that one takes. A break in structure, clouds, hearts, rearranging circumstances, birds fly high up in trees, blowing in the breeze only to say, I'm sorry, hey, see you later. Dancing on sun-kissed mountaintops, the internal, eternal process, guided, brought back to life, survivor of so many things, life shot slings and arrows covered in despairs, black starry nights. Art is becoming something beautiful after all the mistakes life put us through, guided by angels waiting in the wings, a new light bringing forth creation's dreaming. We move, silently, swaying, singing, whispering, remembering the sacred is found deep within, bringing back the medicine through color, light, form, sprinkling mystery's magic across the universe. Remembering love doesn't have to hurt, dropping through time-space continuums to become something new entirely. All this beauty created through chance, happenstance, the little moments that shake us awake, even after all the storms break us open to find that art is still alive and well, streaming from the inside out. We are here to discover it was always ours to keep through dreamlands. We learned to fly into the blue. Metanoia and emergence was always true for me. I carried all the tender things gently as my wounds wept light, taking flight in a light kept secret in our cataclysms of love, slowly drifting in and out, the further dive in sweet tides, whispering promises of a new tomorrow, somewhere the heart meets the sky, through tears and silent cries. You and I together again. In Elysium, as stars collide, we return our broken hearts, each piece shattered back into transmissions of light, stitched together through time's flaws and fragments. These wounds will heal from something fierce, a new chorus dripping in sunlight. She wears the crown so golden, only to forever be here now.